Hey everyone, I am here to do a color spotlight for you. This is Estetica Americano on Finn. And Americano, I'm going to show you the tag here, I almost dropped it. Americano is a brand new color for December 2020. I have iced mocha, so I have Finn and iced mocha. I did a review of Finn and I am in love with this style. I will not be reviewing Finn here. I'll link my actual review of Finn in the description so that you can go watch all of the details of Finn. So this video is really all about the color Americano, and I'm going to put the other Finn on in iced mocha so that you can see the color comparison. I keep looking down because I'm logging into my phone because I'd like to tell you what the color codes are of this color. So Americano, the color codes are 10, 26, 101, RT4. 10, 26, 101 RT4. I'll break that down for you. This is a very, very beautiful, kind of cool color. So a 10 is a medium light brown. The lightest brown is a 12. So brunettes go from 2 to 12. 10 is a medium light brown. So that's the base color. But I gotta tell you guys, the fact that the rooting is a 4 really makes this overall appearance very, very dark. I'll compare it to the other one, which is a base of an 8 and a root of an 8, and you'll see the difference. But that is a very dark root. It almost looks black. I'm sure next to black it wouldn't look black, but it almost looks black, especially next to this highlighting. The highlighting here, you've got a 26, which is a golden blonde, but a 101 is a platinum. And you can definitely see the platinum. It really pops. It's a cool platinum. That's where the cool tones come from. And it really pops next to the dark. So let me show you this from all sides. Got lots of flyaways here. She's pretty much out of the box. You can really see on the bottom how it gets really blonde. Definitely, hopefully I'm far enough away. Definitely super contrasting. So if you're on the fence between Americano and iced mocha, the biggest difference is the contrast is significant. This is very, very dark, and the highlights are super cool. Whereas I would say iced mocha has some cool tones to her, but definitely a little bit more warmth. So let's grab iced mocha here. What I should have done is stuck her on a wig head so I could hold her up side by side. So give me a sec to do that. Alright, so here we go. So this one is the iced mocha. I'll try to do my best to show you side by side. I'll put iced mocha on, and then I do have pictures that I took, and I'll splice them side by side so you can see how they look on me side by side. But so here is the iced mocha, and you can already see how much warmer this one is versus this one. Very different tone. Very different tone. Let's go. Let's see if I can pull off the back so you can really see the highlighting in the back. I'm going to grab a mirror here so I can make sure you can see us both. Hopefully that is a good look at the difference between the highlights. This is just so much more golden. You can just see it almost looks white as I'm looking in my camera, my little camera window monitor thing. It almost looks white compared to this one, and that's that platinum that really pops. They both have a 26 in them, so you've definitely got some of the same kind of golden, so that golden blonde tone. You've got a little bit of that in here. But next to the super dark 4 rooting, it really, the 101 really comes through. One of the awesome things about how Estetica did this, and you've heard this probably, if you're watching this video, you might be like checking out all the videos you can find on this color. A lot of the reviewers out there talk about these as being painted on, and Estetica mentioned that as well. I think that's what sets these styles apart from some other kind of ombre type looks, is that they just, I mean, look at this one right here. And you can see the uneven nature of the highlights. It's really like you went to a salon and they sort of foiled your hair, and that's how it would come out. If you had dark hair like this and you wanted to get this kind of a highlight, that is major processing on your hair. It's probably not being done in one session. You probably can't achieve this look without multiple sessions or hours and hours at the salon. And lightening dark hair this much actually can be really damaging. So if you're not even needing really to wear wigs for hair loss, but you're looking for fun style salon looks, you can totally achieve that with wigs. And that's one of the beautiful things about this. Let me quickly put on the other color for you guys, and then you can see them once again side by side. Sometimes it makes all the difference having it on your head. I will tell you, if you want to ask, if you care, my preference is this color. It's just a little bit more subtle, but it's still stunning and it still pops. There's yet another color in this line. I think it's called Toffee Latte. That's another brunette with highlighting. My understanding from watching the Estetica video on this, they did a video with Kathy, who is, her channel is Atypical 60. And the Toffee Latte is more subtle than this. So if you're still feeling like this is too bold, this may be too bold, Toffee Latte might be one to try. I don't have that, and at this time I don't plan to purchase that. If somebody wanted to send it to me to review, I'd be happy to do that and do a comparison. But here we go again. So you can see, probably should have done it this way the first time. Just more golden, more kind of white. Let's see where I'm at. Hoping I'm in the shot. These are always so tricky when you're just doing them at home and you're a hobbyist. So at the end of the day, you've got the Americano color, which is very bold. These highlights are super contrasting, lots of cool tones. Even the 4 is a little cooler. I mean, it's hard to get cool in a brunette. It does have some warmth, but it's much cooler than this 8 even. And then you've got this one, which is the Iced Mocha, and you've got the more golden, more golden and a little warmer. So here's my review for you guys. Here's my comparison. Now I'm going to tack on these pictures that will really show it side by side. So I hope this helped you. And I do have some outside looks at this one in my other video, and I will get outside with Americano so that you can see that one outside. Thanks for watching, you guys. Hey everyone, here is Americano outside. I'm going to move over into a little bit of indirect sunlight here. It's hard for me to look into the sun, so I wanted to start somewhere else. This is a really stunning color. You can just see it's so contrasting. Dark, dark root into just beautiful, more platinum highlights. Get in front of a dark background that are just gorgeous. The contrast is quite stark though. See if I can get the back. So you can see. I know that these new colors, there's going to be so much curiosity and indecision. So I'm trying to help with that indecision. Okay, let me get back into some less direct light. It's just beautiful. Something I didn't show in the video was the lace front. So I want to show that. Not bad at all for being such a dark color. Otherwise, it's a just beautiful, beautiful piece. This is pretty much out of the box. I sprayed her with a little water and scrunched her, and that's all I did. All right, guys. Hope this was helpful. Good luck in your decision making. Thanks for watching.